All I could say was finally. I've been serving adults supporting students for success for 15 years through adult education. And we know that teachers can't do one more thing. Administrators are so tied, they can't take on one more thing. And yet we have this LCAP where we have parent meetings for parent engagement. And we have 5 parents come, or maybe 10 parents come, the same parents every time. So finally, we're able to utilize family leadership and utilize the curriculum and the tools to empower parents to enable student success. And that's what it's all about. Can you imagine if you have a school district of 2,000 kids K-12, TK-12, TK adult, and each one of those parents is given an opportunity to acquire the tools necessary to engage with other parents. It takes the teacher out, it takes the administrator out. And we are just really empowering parents to network like this instead of like this, right? So this is strength. Parents coming together to support students for student success. All I can say is thank you.